Good morning. Assalamu alaikum all. Today we are discussing lesson number 4, agriculture. Agriculture is very important activity. It comes under the primary activity. 2/3 of India's population engaged in the agricultural activity. As you know, most of the food items and many raw materials for various industry come from the agricultural sector. Anyway, here we have to discuss different types of farmings. Farmings are not unique all over the world. There are different types through years and decades which developed with modern technologies. Anyway, we have to learn some of the types of farmings. Here we will discuss first primitive substance of farming. As the name suggests, this is very primitive. The tools or the technologies, methods are very primitive. Here the people do not use any modern fertilizer tools. They use the traditional tools like hose, dowel, digging sticks, etc. Here the labors are not from outside. Labors are from the family. They produce in a small patch of land, and hence the productivity is always very low. Anyway, this type of farming, also known as slash and burn agriculture, which means if they want to cultivate in an area, first they will burn the area with fire and clear the land and mix that ash in the soil and start the cultivation. After 2-3 times of cultivation, they will leave the place and search another place and burn there and start the cultivation there. After a few years, they will come back again to the earlier place, because the earlier place might have replenished its fertility. So this type of farming is known as primitive substance of farming. I told you here the productivity is always very low because the technologies, the tools, even the seeds, everything is very primitive. Anyway, this type of farming is not as uh, different names throughout the country, and Jumming in northeast states and Pamlo in Manipur, Diva in some of the parts of Chhattisgarh and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So this slash and burn technology is known as different names through the country, and the rest of the part of the world also known in different names. Anyway, this primitive substance of farming is very primitive. They use primitive technologies, primitive tools. Okay.